Good afternoon, guys. Hope everyone is doing well. What's happening, Nino? Good, my brother?
Hello, hello.
What's happening, brother? Good? Good afternoon to everyone else. Another amazing day ahead of us, guys. Let's go. What's happening, Ben? How are you doing, my brother? Another amazing day ahead of us. It should be clean price action today, though. That's for sure. So we should be able to spot the dodginess that kicks in with NY session. Got a clean leg up yesterday. Ready to snipe these golds. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ready for the sniper entries. Go Forex factory. Let's just give it a couple more minutes. Just allow everyone else to join, and then from there, let's take it. Tomorrow we have news coming in as well, but that's around 3 o'clock. And today we've got a lot of news coming in at 1:30. So tomorrow should be, again, very nice day. Around 1 till 3 should be very clean price action, and then from 3 it should be influenced by fundamentals. But let's see what happens.
Oh man, crazy in Portugal, bro, today. Very, very hot, man.
Oh, bro, I'm literally
Like
set.
33, man.
33 degrees Celsius, bro.
Yeah, Celsius. Yeah.
Damn, bro.
Bro, I even go to pool, bro, in the morning. Like,
Oh, nice.
when I wake up, bro. Because
Bro,
it's
I'm
hot.
literally set right under the AC, bro. But I'm freezing because I'm set under the AC, so I'm literally so cold right now, bro.
Bro, I have a thing, bro.
Man's got the paper fan.
Yeah, man.
You're a G,
Bro,
bro.
it's
You're a G.
hot, bro. I'm gonna need to get one of those, like, small, like, air coolers, you know, for the desk. I think one of my friends, that one that has a company, you know, I think he sell that stuff. So
Okay.
I'm gonna try to get one. You know?
Nice. Yeah, bro. I'm actually freezing, bro, because I'm set right under the AC. It's too cold, honestly. That's it, bro. Stay hydrated. God first, health second, health and family second, but God first. How's everyone else doing, though? Good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon.
Ready to snipe these codes.
Big day ahead of us once again today. Core retail sales, unemployment claims. Yo, what's happening, Golden? How are you? Good. What's happening? But yeah, guys, again, we do kind of need to wait for the fundamentals to kick in, but we will go through some different ideas and see what we can trade. But let's just allow for the rest of the people to join. Let's just give it another couple minutes. Bro, the lady at my cafeteria, she's so nice, man. She just gave me free coffee today.
Damn.
She's so nice.
That's nice, bro.
She's so nice, honestly. Oh. So they sort of just dropped the price yesterday after that initial spike, which we call. So I think we ended the session after this spike was done, and then after that they actually just dropped the price for the rest of this session, which actually makes me very curious, and I really want to see what they can do today, because if they've taken the price down now, even with FOMC, then I'm very curious to see what they can do today, because we've got two big news events coming up, right? We've got massive news dropping at 1:30. So it'll be very interesting to see what they can do, actually. If they have super negative numbers, then there is that chance of this technically becoming a major liquidity play in the market. And, you know, they can start driving the price all the way back up. Oh my lord, man, it's too cold. I need to turn the AC down a little bit. It's actually way too cold, bro. I'm literally freezing right now. It's super hot outside. Super cold inside. Okay, we have the notification. My bro, give me like 2 minutes, okay?
Okay.
Alright.
Oh, looks like we have Goldman here today. How are you, Goldman? Golden, yeah. Not Goldman.
Oh, apologies, guys. I'm sharing the wrong screen. Let me quickly just change that for you. Give me a second, please. There we go. Sharing the right screen now. Better?
Yep.
Alright,
nice,
give me 2 minutes, bro. Okay.
So we have new people here today, or no? Say me in the chat, guys. It actually is very, very hot, bro, in Portugal. Crazy. So like in the morning, like 10, 11, it was like 30 degrees in the morning. It's crazy. I'm in a good sell from 33 level. Should I before the news? Size 33. Let me take a look. Bro, one thing that you can do, it's not financial advisor, advising, but you can always close some partials, and put stop loss, like not in entry, but like 15-20 pips in profit, because with the news, if you get slippage, it will close like a little bit better than if it was in entry. I think that's a good idea, or just close the position and wait for the news. Do whatever you feel more comfortable to do, that's just some idea that I think it's a good thing to do. Hello, Jay. How are you, my bro? You good? Good afternoon, man. Jay, actually, I think it's with Jay. Jay, actually, today is what? Hot in Portugal, bro. It's like at 10 a.m., 10 in the morning, bro. Like, it was 30 degrees, bro. At 10 a.m. Crazy, bro. Crazy. Jay, today I get one of these, bro. Look. Oh, bro, today's the worst day in Portugal, man. Like, very hot, bro. Bro, even in the morning, bro. In the morning, I go for a swim, bro. Today, like do a little swim in the morning, bro, in the pool. You know, because it's hot, man. Crazy. But hopefully, I got my friend here, you know. Yeah, man. I think this summer gonna be like very, very hot, bro. We are middle of June and we have these temperatures, you know. So August, July, damn. We go for the 40 degrees, bro, here in Portugal or more. Crazy. But yeah, guys, how are you? How was your session yesterday? Did you guys join us for the FOMC? Or yeah, you guys join us? It was a nice 30 people. Bro, I swear to you, in Portugal, in July, August, 40 degrees, bro. 41 sometimes, 42. Yeah, bro. I swear, man. Like, we don't see anyone in the streets, you know? Just everyone in the beach or pool or something, you know? Because it's very, 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 very hot, bro. That's what I'm saying to Daniel, bro. I'm gonna get that small hair coolers for the desk, you know. Then I can put the air cooler on the desk and fresh air to my face, you know. Because, bro, 40 degrees is possible. Even my room is like the hottest room in the house, you know. So it's crazy. But that's what I'm saying, man. I'm gonna get one of those and I'll be chilling here. Damn, man. You start early today, man. Fat cigar. A glass of neat vodka. Damn, bro. You start early today. Today's Thursday, man. Damn. Looks like Ben today gonna go full margin. Jeez. Okay, my bro. I'm gonna ask him, man. I'm gonna ask when he come back, bro. But bro, fat cigars and vodka at 1 p.m., man. Yeah. Jesus Christ. Oh man, that's one of your weaknesses. Women and drinks and fat cigars. That's your weaknesses. I remember we are here talking about the weaknesses. You remember? I think you're there, right? I think you say your weaknesses is women. I remember that. I think that was you. But see, bro, memory. But damn, man. I think I never met someone that drinks like vodka at this time, man. 1 o'clock. A vodka and a fat cigar. Jesus. But bro, just one, man. Don't start
What's
drinking vodka
popping,
like
my
crazy, man.
people? What's popping? What's happening?
Bro,
Us,
I think we have one friend here that
who?
drinks that drinking vodka and smoking a fat cigar at 1 o'clock.
Right now?
Yeah.
That's crazy, man.
That's Ben. Ben look
Yeah,
at.
bro. That's normal. That's normal. That's very normal, bro. In the UK, that's very normal. Yeah. What is it? 40 degrees, and I'll quit my line of work. Wait, good afternoon, bro. There's actually a bronze here today. It's a bit cooler. It's very hot. Bro, I'm in gold sell from 33 level. Should I exit before news? I started 1 hour ago. Fair play, Ben. I'll be doing the same after work. Ask Dio what I'm like. He knows me for years. On my Instagram stories, I'm posting every day with drinks and women. Come to England and spend a week with me, bro.
Bro, if I got to Finland and spend a week with you, bro, I'm gonna be destroyed by inside, you know.
Yeah, if you come
Drinking
to the-
vodka and smoking cigars at 1 o'clock, man. Jesus.
Yeah. Trust me, man. Okay, so we've got a couple more minutes left before the news drops, guys. How is everyone doing? Failure pending. Kidney failure. I don't know about kidney, bro, but definitely liver. That's for sure. Okay, so good afternoon, guys. Hope everyone is doing well. Once again, thank you for joining again for the live session. Good evening, Dia. Good evening, Nino. Lol, yeah, liver, my bad. I drink and fight like Tristan Tate. Lol, I have 6 bare knuckle fights in October. Yeah, Ben, you fight as well, right? Yeah, Tristan Tate is a G, man. Andrew doesn't drink though, I think. It's because obviously he's Muslim now, so he doesn't drink. But Tristan does. But that guy is a unit. He's big. I think he's like 6'3", 6'4", and he's big. People don't understand how big Tristan Tate actually is. The guy's a beast, honestly. So even looking at the monthly now, it seems like on the monthly time frame, gold is starting to give us some sort of a breakout here below the previous monthly lows, right? Oh, wait 1 second. So essentially what's happening now is we can see that the monthly is starting to give you a breakout. So if the break below the previous monthly lows is actually a valid break, then from there we can start to look for the next sort of play to the downside, the next key area to the downside, right? So this is where now if we actually measure out the range, well, you've got plenty of room to the downside, right? So let's say if they actually do start to give you that sort of drop once again now, they start to break the monthly lows over here, which is at 26. You can most likely see gold dropping another 160 pips. That's obviously just going based off the monthly, right? But again, what we have to do is, as intraday traders / scalpers, we need to calculate our daily range and see how much daily range has moved altogether now. But that's the thing though, right? Because we've got fundamentals coming up, it could be a thing where the daily could move more than 200 pips, which is really realistic for today's session, because you've got unemployment claims coming up and you've also got core retail sales number dropping. So for core retail sales, they are expecting 0.1%. These are the forecasted numbers. And for retail, for unemployment claims, the forecasted numbers are 246. So again, guys, we do need to technically see what the numbers are. Once we have the numbers, then we will try and align the technicals with the fundamentals, right? Until then, the best thing you can do as a trader is to just stay out of the markets. Basically, that's what you can do. Once you do have the fundamentals, then from there we'll start looking for some positions. Bro, I'll be back literally in 2 minutes. Okay, let me just get some water. Take over for me, please. And 9 more minutes left, guys, before the news drops. And then as soon as the news drops, then we shall start looking for some trades. He's an animal, bro. Yeah, man. Tristan Tate is a beast, honestly.
Yeah, man. Hello, my bro, Lucas. How are you? Hello, yeah, my liver, my bad. Yeah, man. Today should be a very, very nice day. Too much volume into the markets. And I have like 2-3 news, I think. It's yeah, retail sales, Empire State Manufacturing Index, retail sales, again, unemployment claims. Some big news for Hero too. Gonna be lit today. Gonna be lit. Yeah, guys, we need to wait a little bit more, like 7 minutes, to see what the numbers are, and start looking for those big positions, big nice positions. They should be very, very good, man. Should be very, very nice. Good evening, Samita. Good evening, no, good afternoon. Here is afternoon. Damn. I think today we're gonna go for 34 degrees, probably. Thing is, I like the hotness in the morning, you know, because you wake up with sun. You go for a little swim, little pool, you know. But after that, when it starts the afternoon, starts to get way hotter. But yeah, guys, let's kill the session today. Let's kill these markets. We need to be very focused today.
I'm not afraid. What's happening, Lucas? How are you? Good? But yeah, we're just waiting for the news to drop, guys. As soon as the news drops, we should start analyzing the market, and you know, we don't really look for any sort of trades for the first 15 minutes or so. So as soon as the news drops, we should be able to then align the fundamentals with the technicals, and that's when we can start looking for our trades. Until then, yeah, we'll be just relaxing here for the next 5 minutes. Let's see what the fundamentals are like, what the numbers are. Again, the forecasted numbers can be seen here. For core retail sales, it's 0.1%. That's the expected forecasted numbers. And for unemployment claims, it's 246k. So let's see what the actual numbers will be. Drink your water, guys. Drink your water. Stay hydrated. Very important to stay hydrated. Three more minutes left before the news drops. Good, plus 30 pips FOMC yesterday. Amazing, my brother. Amazing. Yeah, yesterday was a great session. We literally anticipated it to push up. It hit our TP area, and then from there, even though I was expecting something massive, it still gave us our TP, and that's all we need really. We just need our TP. Gave us our TP, took our profits, and then that's it. Called your session. That's what trading is about. It's about financial freedom. It's about making, like securing those profits. Obviously everyone's got a target for the day. As soon as your target gets hit, you just run for your life, because at the end of the day, it's a game of probabilities, right? So need to always remember that and keep that in your mind. Seems like they're starting to sink the price down just a little bit more, since the monthly is actually quite bearish at this point, right? As I mentioned earlier, if the monthly is bearish and if they want to give you a breakout, then this is your monthly level, 1909. It could sink down to 1909.87. But again, we've got fundamentals coming up in the next 3 minutes, so let's see what happens. 2 minutes now, precisely. In the next 2 minutes, we should be able to get the numbers, and then hopefully hopefully they're not mixed numbers, because if we do get super negative numbers now, then obviously there is a very high chance that we will see gold flying now. If we get super negative numbers, right? Because if you actually look at this current 4H candle, and let's say if the numbers are super negative, man, this starts to turn into like a rejection candle, starts to trade back above that 31 range. This will essentially start to become a fake out, right? If the next one opens and it breaks the highs over here, it will start to become a fake out. But again, because you don't have any stop loss areas just yet, you would want you to stay out of the markets for the first 15 minutes or so. But yeah, your monthly is super bearish, super bearish now. It's sinking. Your monthly has violated the lows of the previous candle, and so it's becoming super bearish now. We know to the downside there is plenty of room. We've got about another 160 pips to the downside. So let's see what the numbers are, guys. 45 seconds left before the numbers drop. $30 seconds left. So guys, $1 million bet. What are you guys doing with the news? Are you buying or are you selling? If you had $1 million to bet on this now, are you guys buying or are you guys selling? We've got 20 seconds left. Let us know in the chat. What are you guys doing if you had $1 million now to bet on this trade? The $1 million bet. Okay, people are buying. Someone is selling. Let's see who wins. Oh, it's the liquidity pushed down, and now what's happening? What are the numbers? They might be mixed numbers because of this spikiness. Let's give it a little bit. Oh, gold is dropping. If the numbers are super positive, then we've got plenty of room to the downside. Plenty. Someone says both. Smart man, very smart man. 500k each side, right? That makes a lot of sense, man. That makes a lot of sense. See, he's an actual trader, bro. He's like, you know what? I'm gonna diversify into 500k each side, buy and sell. Okay, let's just wait for it. Retail sales numbers are positive, and we have mixed numbers, guys. Unemployment claim numbers are negative. So we have mixed numbers in the markets. We need to give it just a little bit more room to breathe, and we need to let the price settle down a little bit. But if we just go based off the confirmations now, technical confirmations, gold is super bearish, right? So think about it. What would the smartest thing to do will be? In my opinion, it will be to wait for some sort of a correction back up and then start looking for those sell positions. So again, the major key levels which we have to keep in our mind will be the 31 level, since this is the level where the previous monthly actually rejected from. So it's a major key level for us. This will be our area we need to keep in our mind. And if we go back to the daily range now, look at this, right? You need to understand one thing. What's happening here now is that you've got a major liquidity play here playing in the markets. You've got major liquidity being generated here in the markets now. So either this becomes a major liquidity play and now they start to take the price all the way back up, and this is essentially, you know, them just driving the price down, grabbing the cheapest price possible, and now the numbers are mixed as well. With news is mixed numbers, so there will be some sort of indecision in the markets. So if there will be some sort of indecision in the markets, we need to kind of let it settle down a little bit. Maybe wait for the first 5 minutes, or maybe to 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Let us just like give us some more confirmations, and as soon as we have those confirmations, I think it should be a safe bet to take those buy positions or even the sell positions. It depends what the confirmations are, right? But at the moment, guys, gold is super bearish. So if you were to look for those buy positions, to a certain extent, you are going against the trend. So you want to be extra careful if you want to, you know, take a buy position here. You have to be extra careful because, you know, even though you got negative numbers, say you also have positive numbers here, so they are mixed numbers, right? And if you want to be super safe, then let's wait for a confirmation and let's wait for some sort of a closure above this. So if we can get a decent closure above, let me show you guys the key level which I'm interested in, which will again just be this major monthly level, right? So going based on the current 4H now, essentially we're waiting for a closure above that 50% level. We know that if the 4H candle starts to become a rejection candle, then, you know, there is a very high chance that it would come back up to retest its own highs. So the highs of this 4H candle is all the way up here, right? That's the upper wick. So if this area here gives us a rejection to the downside, then it's a high probability sell setup. But if this area here starts to hold as some sort of support level, which is your 30.67, then, you know, there is that sort of scenario setting up where potentially what gold is doing now is technically grabbing a lot of liquidity, and this whole play to the downside becomes a fake out rather than a breakout. So I think some sort of a closure above this, some sort of a support forming here will give us a decent buy position. But what we need is we need a support candle, and we also need a confirmation candle. But if we have a support candle forming here at 1930.67 and we start to see the candle that sort of opens off to the support candle starting to break the lows of the support candle, then it will be a downside retest. That would be a clean sell position. So this is a major key level. Maybe do we have some sort of a structure here? Okay, on the 1H we can see the breakout. So the 1H is actually quite bearish. This is basically the correction. It's essentially a pullback on the 1H, or it's about to give you a fake out. So if it starts to go past this area here now, then it's a clean fake out, right? It's a plain and simple fake out if it breaks the highs of the 1H. Until then, this is all just a pullback. It's a correction, so we do need to be extra careful here. And as I said, let's just give it a couple more minutes, let it settle down just a little bit more, and from there we should be able to look for a position. You don't want to FOMO into anything. The news has just dropped. RSI is showing a clear bull. We don't use any RSIs, it's just pure price action we use, no RSIs or anything like that. I haven't backtested any indicators, so I don't know how RSI works or any other indicators. We stick with pure price action. So again, as I mentioned earlier, we are looking for something, but this will be your key level. You want to see what sort of a reaction you get at 1930. Again, look at your daily range, right? Let me also try and show you guys another perspective that I have. So now the daily range has moved about 200 pips, right? We understand that the numbers were quite mixed. So there is that sort of chance where gold can give you a break above the daily 50% area and start spiking all the way back up to the daily highs. But before we see anything like that happening, what you need to always keep in your mind is that gold is actually quite bearish, right? It's super bearish. It's super bearish. So this is where now you need some sort of a confirmation above this area at least before you're closing your eyes and you're saying, okay, cool, gold is breaking past that 50% level. There is a very high chance that it will now come back up to retest its own upper wick. So the upper wick is all the way up here. So the daily upper wick is up here and the daily lows are all the way down there. So all I'm looking to see now is if gold will come back up to retest the upper wick, the daily highs, or if gold will start dropping back down to retest the daily lows. And then we understand there's plenty of room to the downside because the monthly is super bearish, right? So these are the major key levels which we have on the daily range. Major key levels are the levels which we are interested in basically on the intraday range. So one key level being the mid range, which is the 50% area just here, which is 34.94. Let's mark this up. And then the second key level being the monthly breakout area. So we know that this was the previous monthly lows. So there is a lot of liquidity below this. And as I mentioned earlier, I'm just looking to see if this breakout here is valid or if this is just a liquidity drop. If this is just a liquidity drop and they've dropped the price just to basically grab the cheapest price possible, you know, trigger all of these stop losses, you know, grab all of these buy stops from here, sell stops got triggered, you know, they also get taken out. Well, then if this is a liquidity play, then we need a closure back above this. And so if we can get a 15-minute closure back above this now, we are also looking for that 1H breakout. So essentially, if this 1H starts to break past, then it's becoming super bullish, to be honest. It is becoming super bullish. But if you're looking for the safest confirmation, like the, you know, highest probability trade to the top side, then you will need a closure above this area here, this double resistance level that you have. This is you seeing our double resistance on the daily 50%. As soon as we go past this area, then yeah, gold is going to start flying all the way back up to the daily highest. Again, think about this 4H now. What is the job of this 4H candle? Well, the job of this 4H candle now is to give you some sort of a pullback, and then from there again start coming back down to the lows. Or the job of this 4H is to basically reject and start coming back up to its own highs. So you got to understand now, this is your 4H range, right? These are the 4H highs and the 4H lows are the same as the daily lows. So this is where if the 4H starts to flip bullish and it starts to give you a closure above the 50% area, which is right here. This is the 50% area on the 4H candle. You guys can see that. If we see a confirmation above this, then this becomes your new range. You can look for some sort of a buy position up to the 4H highs. And if it does go past the 4H highs, then you can start aiming for the wick fill going west of the previous 4H candle. Until then, you're super bearish, and it's not really a smart thing to look for a buy position just yet. It's not the smartest idea since everything is super bearish. And one thing I'm not a big fan of is trading against the trend anymore. I used to be a big fan of it, but it doesn't play out majority of the times. Afternoon people, I've back tested majority of indicators, bro. They're not very consistent, I'll be honest. Yeah, I never really got into indicators, to be honest. I was always just, you know, trading based off pure price action. Never ever got into indicators. You know, I always had this in the back of my mind. I was like, if I rely on an indicator and, you know, something goes wrong, or like, you know, we gotta understand the market conditions are changing every 3 months, every quarter or so. And so, you know, indicators will always lack to a certain extent. And so if indicators are what you are trading based off, yes, you will make a lot of money. if you know it's going, if the market cycle is in your favor, but the minute the market cycle goes against you, because you're heavily reliant on that indicator, man, it will just be a miserable cycle. But this is where the price action is king. I always say this: price action is king. Because if you know how price action works, especially on a certain pair, you can get really good at trading it consistently on daily basis. You really can. So again, as I mentioned earlier, if we can get closure above 1930, I need a support candle forming here, and then the next candle can give us this wick fill to the top side. But again, it just depends what kind of closure we get on this candle. Is it going to be a breather candle? Is it going to be a nice, decent engulfing bullish candle? If it is a decent engulfing bullish candle, then it needs to really start closing above this 31 area. It needs to really start spiking up now, because it's got the last 4 minutes. In the last 4 minutes, I need to see a spike up, a decent closure, you know, a bullish engulfing candle. And then the next one needs to open and then give us this sort of retest to the top side. But again, the smartest thing, as I said, to do will be to just wait for price to approach our key area on the daily, which is the 34 level, which is the 36 level, and see what sort of a reaction we get at 34 level. If we do see some sort of a decent resistance forming up here, even on the 15 minutes, then you can start looking for that sell-off. When it comes to looking for a buy position, you do need a confirmation, at least on the 30-minute time frame. So with buy positions, I'm not interested in any sort of impulsive play. I'll be honest with you guys. With buy positions, I do need that sort of confirmation, the high time frame confirmation, which will be at least a 30-minute closure, and that would be a decent support candle, which I'm interested in, and break of the support candle will give me that leg up. That's what I'm interested in. Again, looking to the left, 1H highs are just up here now, so this is technically also becoming a fake out, right? Like if this starts to break past the 1H highs, you've got this range to the top side, which is only about 18 pips away. Well, look to the left, it's about 13 pips away. Then you've got resistance, which is 18 pips away. Then this is about 38 pips away now. You've got this range to the top side for sure, and most likely with the volatility that we have, you could technically fill this wick, because what happens is, like, you know, these wicks are the areas which get filled when there is momentum in the markets. So if we look at the 15-minute time frame now, it has a lot of momentum, right? This candle is filled with momentum. It is an engulfing bullish candle, and if you just measure the candle, it's 86 pips big. That's a massive candle on the 15-minute time frame. So it does have a lot of momentum, right? And when there is momentum and when there is volatility in the markets, wicks will get filled. But when you think about it, there is a wick to the downside and there is a wick to the top side. Either wick can get filled. And the first 15 minutes now, this is heavily driven by fundamentals, right? This was a fundamental play in the market. So now if the fundamental play is done, we need to see which wick will get filled. Will it be the top side wick? Will it be the lows which we retest? And once we have the wick fill, once the wick fill is done, you will also get a closure on the 30 minutes. Then guess what? Once the wick fill is done, either it will close as a rejection candle or it will close as a breakout candle. We need a breakout candle above this resistance area, which is basically above your daily 50%. And from there, you can, to a certain extent, just start looking for a buy position for the rest of the day, because you're buying the lows on the intraday. Look at that, daily is super low, and daily can push up. Even with FOMC, we didn't see any sort of a pump. But that's the thing though, I don't want to build a bias. I don't want to look for a correction just because gold's super low. I just want to flow with the trend. I just want to keep myself very fluid in the markets, not build a bias, and just look for whatever opportunity market throws my way. We have sort of cleared this area here though. You guys can see this was a major consolidation area. You have sort of cleared it. You've got closure below this. You've also got a breakout candle. And so think about it, right? If this area here becomes invalid now, we need this candle here to technically start breaking past the closure candle. So the closure candle has a range as well, right? So this is your range on the closure candle. But this again is a wick fill area for us as well, if we sort of like start looking for those buy positions. But at the same time, I think the safest play for me will be to at least wait for a 30-minute closure before I look for any sort of buy positions. That would be the safest play. With the sell positions, they really can set up. They really can. We can also see the breakout here. Previous 30-minute highs have been violated. This candle seems to have a lot of momentum and is technically closing back above this range again. If it does give us that closure, this area here will start to hold as our support level. So then the next candle technically needs to respect this area here. This sort of area should be max pullback, and then when it starts to give you a breakout, that's when you're expecting that pump, the next leg up. This is the new 15-minute open out. It's essentially doing the same thing, right? But because you want to be extra careful here, you do want to wait for a 30-minute confirmation. And again, the 1H is still bearish. If you are looking for an impulsive entry though, you would need to take it on the 1H breakout. But let's say if you want to take a trade based off the 1H breakout, do you have enough range to the top side? Do we have enough range? Because just from here now, let's say you're taking a breakout here, you've only got about like 10 pips before you start tapping into the daily 50% area, which is a major rejection level, right? The 35, the 34. So yeah, I think for me personally, anything above this will be a buy position. Until then, I'm not interested in looking for any sort of buy positions. So anything above the daily 50% area will be a buy position. Until then, I'm staying out of the markets. And anything below this, I'm quite bearish, because gold is super bearish. You guys can see the daily range, you guys can see the weekly range, you guys can see the monthly range. So again, I do not want to trade against the trend. I will stay out of the markets for now. And if I have the 4H confirmation, even better. But we need higher time frame confirmations, right, to start looking for that pump. So look at this now, right? If the next 4H gives you a break above this, then you can start looking for that pump for the rest of the day, because you're seeing a breakout happening on the 4H and it's happening above the daily 50%. Then you can again start looking for a pump. But until then, I think, yeah, the best thing to do is just to wait. Just wait, yeah. But how's everyone doing, guys? Hope everyone is well. So Nino, what's our target? What's our like goal today?
Today I think we can go for the 33.
What did we hit yesterday?
I think it was 30.
Oh, we hit 30 likes yesterday. Amazing.
Yeah, I think FOMC was 30.
30 likes, yeah. FOMC was super profitable. Super profitable.
Oh, let me take a look.
Okay. Let's do some educational.
32 likes for the FOMC. So
okay, guys, we will do some educational questions, right? So again, going based off our strategy now, are buy positions valid below 1934? So this is 1934. You know, because I've obviously done the analysis now, so let's do some educational questions. So 1934 is the daily 50%. So let's see if you guys start to understand our strategy. Are buy positions valid as long as price is trading below 1934? Let me do a poll. Okay, I will do a poll and I want you guys to answer the question. Okay guys, I have posted a poll, and so again, make sure you guys answer. I have posted a poll. Check the YouTube live chat and answer. Going based off our strategy, are buy positions valid below 1934? Are they valid? If close above 36, then valid. Yes, sir. Good answer. Amazing answer. And why is it going to be valid above 36? Can someone also answer this question? Why are buy positions going to be valid after 36, and why are they not valid below 36? Can someone answer this question for me? Why are buy positions valid above 36 and until then they are not valid? Let me know. Answer this question in the live chat.
Yeah, looks like everyone is voting right.
Yeah, everyone's getting it right. Everyone's getting it right. We will do some more educational questions as well, guys. You know what? This is a very good tool. To a certain extent, I can also do Q&A here. We can do so much stuff here, guys. Okay, someone says, how many answers do we have so far on the poll?
8.
We have 8 answers. Okay, we have 8 votes so far. Are buy positions valid below 1934, guys? Let's answer, guys. And so I will end the poll now. And yes, majority is correct. Majority are correct. Let's end the poll. Ideally, we need to close above 36 level to look for buys. Amazing stuff. Amazing stuff. Let's end the poll now. Amazing stuff here, guys. Amazing stuff here. 22% say yes. 77% say no. Well, 77% are correct. Going based off our strategy, we are not interested in buy positions just yet, because daily is bearish, 4 hour is bearish, monthly is bearish, and everything is bearish. The only time buy positions become valid is when we see the new 4 hour opening and breaking above this. That's the only time buy positions become valid. Okay, let's do our Q&A now. Okay, let's start our Q&A. I will say something here.
You have the Q&A that like people ask questions and you receive the questions.
Yes, sir. What are
that's very nice.
Looking for?
That's very nice.
So, let's see how much you guys understand our strategy. What are we looking for to sell the markets? So there we go, guys. We have a little Q&A. Go to the chat and let's answer this. So what are we looking for to sell the markets? Answer this. Go to the live chat again and answer this. Going based off our strategy, what are we looking for to sell the markets? This is a live session here. Let us know. What are we looking for to sell the markets? Did the Q&A come up?
Yeah.
Yep. So guys, go to the live chat and answer this question for me. I've posted a question. What are we looking for to sell the market? So, you know, it doesn't have to be anything big. It could just be, you know, you could say you're looking for a, you know, candle or this or that. It could be anything. So again, everyone was here for the analysis, right? So I want to see if you guys actually understood our analysis, right? So this is where now I want you guys to answer this question for me. What are we looking for to sell the markets? Let's see. Get your questions, get your answers in. Get your answers in. This is again, the whole concept behind this is to teach you guys our strategy, right? So you guys need to a certain extent, engage with us as well. So guys, answer this question for us. What are we looking for to sell the markets today? And the poll we done earlier, the question we asked during the poll was, when are the buy positions valid? Were they valid above 1934 or below? Everyone was correct. Well, majority were correct. We are not interested in any buy positions above, as long as price is trading below 1934. This double resistance here, it's a key resistance here. We need to see gold breaking above this double resistance area before we start looking for those buy positions. That's the confirmation which confirmation we will look for, or the confirmation will be either a closure above here on the 30 minutes, or our impulsive confirmation will be the 4H going past this area. So the new 4H candle, right? These are the two things which we are interested in. And you know, our aim is to teach you our strategy, but you guys need to engage with us. What's happening, Piri? How are you, brother? You good? Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. Wait, guys, let me know in the chat. Can you guys see the questions that I'm posting? Are they coming up?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Bro, can you try and answer it for me? I just want to see how it kind of looks on the live stream. Mods, my brother, make time and also answer the question for me on the YouTube live stream. Let's make this very educational.
You receive it.
Okay, rejection from 34 / a resistance forming a fake out. Yes, sir. That's a correct answer. W's in the chat for Nuno. He has a correct answer. W's in the chat for Nuno. He has a correct answer. Well, technically, 37 will be the ideal key level, but since you're still in a downtrend, you don't need price to actually go up to 37. Even anything below this will be considered a good sell position. If in the next 2 minutes we get our break below this, I will consider selling gold, because this is your fundamental play, and on the break of this, you're getting the new 4H, which usually goes, again, it's a very one-sided move with the new 4H, right? So with the new 4H now, what we are seeing is we're seeing momentum kicking in, right? There is volatility. So again, remember the concept of wicks get filled when there is momentum as well as volatility in the markets. So now, clearly with the new 4H, there is momentum. It will either fill the top side wick or it will fill the downside wick. So if it wants to now fill the downside wick, then clearly it needs to break past this area. If it wants to fill the top side wick, then it needs to break the highs. What business does it have breaking the lows? Do you see where I'm coming from? Because this move was heavily influenced by fundamentals, and now we have the correction in the markets. We're super bearish in the markets, and on the break of this, you are technically trading with the trend. And what is this candle here looking like? Can someone answer? It's looking like a breather candle, isn't it? It's looking like a clean breather candle. So again, guys, waiting for our confirmations. Let's wait for it. Let's do another poll. That's the new 4H now. Let's see what it does. That's the new 4H, that's the new 4H, that's the new 4H. Again, on the break of this, the buy position becomes valid for sure. It's an impulsive position. There is the volatility factor in the markets as well. Let me see what stop loss we can place. You know what, actually, Because the only issue I have with this is, because it's pushing up in a very impulsive manner, on the break of this, it can give you a crazy pump. But at the same time, it's just literally the first 5 minutes of the 4H. We need at least some sort of a closure above this, so we can use this level here as a stop loss. So let's wait for it to settle down just a little bit. But this is the kind of volatility we need, right? Next thing we need, it's a confirmation, which will be a break above this. So let's not enter the markets on the break. Let's first let it break and pull back and then break again for the second time for us to enter. So let's just let it do its thing. But this is the source of volatility we need. As I mentioned earlier, when there is volatility in the market, wicks get filled. So now if the wick to the top side has been filled, you can always start looking for that downside play in the markets, since they have also retested our resistance level. And there is a very high chance that they can give you a closure above this area here, and the next 15 minutes can technically start to cause a fake out. And we at least need a break above this, or even a closure above this, to consider a buy position. So buys above here, but we need a minimum of 15 minutes to close above, and then I'm a big fan of it. There we go. Buys above here, we just need a closure, guys. We need a closure. So let's wait for this position here to set up, and from there.
Yeah, man, today we need to go to 33 likes.
Yes, sir. Can we do 33 likes today? That's our like goal, guys. Can we do 33 likes? And also, guys, did you share our stream with one of your friends? If we have about 30 people watching, and think about it, if you guys can share your stream and share the stream with just another friend, it will double up and we'll have 60 people watching. And then if 60 people share stream with one person, you know, guys, that would be 120 people watching. And this is free education, guys. We want you guys to escape the rat race, and you know, we are willing to show you guys how to do it for free here as well on the YouTube live stream. So again, make sure you guys drop a like on the stream. We've got our like goal of how many likes do we need to hit today? 33 likes. Can we hit 33 likes today? That's the like goal today, 33 likes. Again, guys, we are waiting for a position to start setting up above here. That's sort of what our target is. Because again, as I mentioned earlier, we need some sort of a closure above at least the daily 50% area. And then the sort of setup that we are trading is, let me show you guys quickly. Damn, bro, we got so much on here. Daily 50% breakout. And yeah, if it is a daily 50% breakout, then obviously we're aiming for the daily highs. Until then, it's a daily 50% retest. And so if it's a retest, well, we're in a downtrend. And if it's a retest, we're looking for a sell-off. So we'll start selling the markets here. We just need to see what sort of a reaction we get up here. Either a closure above for a buy, or a downside play for a sell. Very simple, very simple. And this is your new 4H now. It hasn't even given you a breakout. Once it gives you a break above this, then you've got the next key level, which is another 30 pips to the top side. So a break above this area here could give you a spike up to the next key level, and this could be a position setting up for sure. And you could use the lows of the 4H as a stop loss. You could look for the breakout above this and start aiming for this wick area here as our TP. So, you know, let's also kind of look for this, because now what they have done is they've started to technically give you a pump back up again. Now this is 26 pips, but realistically talking, can we get a massive pump up here? What would the safest thing to do will be? Oh, I think the safest thing to do will be to essentially wait for the closure above here. But it is a decent scenario here as well. The impulsive entries do make sense. They really do make sense. But I think, guys, to be safe, we will just wait for a close. At least one 15-minute candle closing above. We will wait for it. One closure is needed, you know, because there always is that potential of them technically giving you a retest and then selling the markets. Once we know that price is actually closing above the daily 50% area, then we can, you know, say, okay, cool, fair enough, price is actually holding above this daily 50% area, and it's just not the spikiness. And the thing is, right now it will just be the spikiness because of the volatility that we have in the markets, right? But above this, you will see the 4H breaking above, and usually we have noticed that 4H goes literally in one direction. That's how the 4H does react. But I think the safest thing to do is to let it break above, let it give you some sort of a tiny pullback, and then start buying it. Okay, so we will wait for a closure, at least one candle to close above, which will be a 15-minute closure, and the next 15-minute could either give you a fake out. If it does give you a fake out, then fair enough, you know, you're looking for a drop. But if it's not a fake out, if it's a valid breakout, then there you go. But we do need some sort of a closure above this area here. You guys can see this is a choppy area. We need some sort of a closure above this. At the moment, it's just a retest, right? It doesn't make sense for us to take any buy positions just yet. One thing I'm looking for is a break above the 4H highs. It's technically violating the 4H candle, and I'm also looking for some sort of a clean confirmation, closure confirmation above this. Then with the next candle, I'm looking to buy gold. That's the thing I'm interested in today. And the volatility is kicking in. Okay, if you're interested in impulsive entries, then the impulsive entries can take place here. And if you are interested in impulsive entries, then give it a go, be my guest, and just start making a risk free on this resistance area here, and just let the rest run. If you're interested in impulsive entries, you want to let the rest run, but you want to make a risk free now. These are your impulsive entries here. You have retested this key level here now, so these are your impulsive entries basically playing out. This is your 4H breakout. If you have taken the impulsive entry, then let the rest play out, but make it risk free. This was a 14 pip push up, and if you're still waiting for a closure, then be my guest and still wait. We are personally still waiting for a closure as well, guys, because the next one can do two things: either break the lows or break the highs. Once it breaks the highs, we'll just let it run. If it breaks the lows, then obviously you can start looking for the sell-off. But if you are a cowboy and you've taken an impulsive entry, then there we go. It was a very nice impulsive leg up. I will be back in 2 minutes. Okay, bro, take over.
Okay. Did you guys took this impulsive entry or still waiting? Probably there are some cowboys that took this entry. I bet. Let me know. I think yesterday we have some cowboys. Let me know. And it was a nice trade with the volatility. A little scalping position. Makes a lot of sense. Yeah, exactly. That's the smart thing to do. You don't have FOMO, you know, because this candle, it's a 15-minute candle, you know. Like the next one can open and drop, and then we have the cleanest fake out, you know. So that's the smart thing to do, is like waiting to close, chilling, no FOMO. Yeah, because that's what the Hay is saying, like we need to see the breakout, you know. If it really was a breakout, we need the next 15 minutes to start breaking and breaking and breaking, you know. We need at least one close. That's the minimum, you know. Samir, no bottom. Yeah, bro, I know, no bottom wick, but sometimes, man, we are seeing like the behavior of the 4-hour candle. Sometimes, bro, it just go bump, 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 or dump, dump, dump. Doesn't even give us the bottom wick, you know. So sometimes, yeah, makes sense, but on this situation, smart thing to do is like waiting for the close, you know, and see what the next 15 minutes does. Because we have two options, or a fake out and starts to drop, or a breakout, you know. So we need to see and analyze we need to give us some hedge, you know. We need to have some hedge, even if the edge was stay out, you know. Like now we're giving hedge to us, like staying out of this, you know. Because imagine if you took this position, you have the stop loss open, you know. You're not going to be in a good like mental state, you know. Now you're waiting for the close, you are chilling, waiting for the close, and then after you see what's gonna happen.
Exactly. And let's give this a go. If they do give you a closure above this, you know, if you do have the bottom wick here, you've got everything, you've got the new 4H now, and if they do give you a break above now, and they actually do give you a closure above this, well, you've got the NYSE coming up, which is just creeping, which is just literally creeping around the corner. Remember, look, two things can happen. Either this is the upper wick retest, and now they can start breaking the lows and start dropping the price for the rest of the session, or they will actually give you a decent closure above this and then start spiking the price up now for the rest of the day, right? If we have a closure above this, next one breaks the highest, then fair enough, because it's not causing a fake out, right? But if you start to now see a break below this and this fails to give you a closure above this, then there you go. You know, you've got the NYSE just coming up, and NYSE has a lot of volatility, which we understand, and it can just start dropping for the rest of the session. But technically your 4H now has given you a breakout above, and it's a valid breakout. It's a 14 pip breakout, and we understand it has this range to the top side. So with the new 15-minute open, we can get this wick fill here. It could give us this wick fill here of another 12 pips and potentially go past it after. There's a major possibility of that happening for sure. There really is. So let's see what it does now with this 15-minute. Well, you have the closure at this point now. You've got the previous candle, which has left our upper wick. You've also got the lows of the previous 15-minute, which is all the way down here. Well, what you could do is, how big is the SL will be? Okay. Well, on the break of this now, if you're interested, you could give this a go, and you can make it risk-free as soon as it taps this area, because you have the closure, you have everything, and the SLs will go below the previous 15-minute lows. Your 4H is super bullish now as well, and yeah, you can make a risk-free. This will be your risk-free area basically. TP1 risk-free area. And yeah, this is where you're anticipating a pump on gold. Your lows are down there. What business does it have breaking above the highs now? It is closing above the daily 50%. It has also broken the highs of the previous 4H. You've got you've got literally no rejections showing up. It's not rejecting. It is about to go past this resistance here. Then you've got this wick fill area to the top side. And once you go past this wick fill area, then obviously you've got the daily highs coming up. So yeah, it is a decent position. It makes sense. All the confirmations are there. And this is just where you're letting your probabilities play out, because you did wait for this confirmation. But okay, there we go. As soon as this area gets hit, secure your profits and make it risk-free. Oh, my alerts are going off. Good luck. If you are taking this, good luck. TP1 area is up here. That's where you want to make a risk-free and secure some profits, and you want to let the rest just run. Your 4H is bullish. You're seeing a closure above your daily 50%. We were waiting for it. You're also seeing a breakout. This was the confirmation, and now you just got to let it do its thing really. TP1 area is just up here, guys. Again, you do want to make a risk-free as soon as your TP1 area gets hit. You're up about 7 pips, 8 pips. So as soon as it starts to hit that 10 pip mark or so, you can start making a risk-free as well. But there we go. All the confirmations are there now. It just technically needs to give you that pump, right? All the confirmations are there. Everything is there. It's closing above the daily 50%. You know, it has given you the 4H confirmation. You know, you've got everything there. You just technically need that leg up now. So let's see if technically this candle does behave. You've got your NYSE candle coming up, which could also take you all the way to the top side. All the way to the top side. This is your position now. You waited for the closure. Earlier was the impulsive position, which played out very nicely. And yeah, this will be your high confirmation trade. Waited for the closure. Again, you're aiming for this target here. This will be your TB1 area. You want to make a risk-free here. And from there, this will be your TB1. You want to secure something, make a risk-free, and you want to let the rest just run. So there you go. All the confirmations are there now. This is just this is a very high probability trade. We have seen a closure above. We have also seen a breakout above. We've got plenty of range to the top side. You just technically need to let it play out now, basically, right? It is a very high confirmation trade though. We just need some more volatility to kick in, and which can happen with the NYSE, if not now. If, let's say, somehow price does start to close below the daily 50% area, that's when I would recommend maybe reducing your risk. Until then, you do want to let this run. TP1 area is about 14 pips, is around 14 pips for the TP1 area. You guys can see this 14 pips. As soon as you start to go, this is 10 pips, about 10 pips, you want to start making a risk-free as well. That's your 10 pip area just up here. From there, you can technically start making a risk-free and let the rest run. You know, I would recommend you letting the rest run. But your TP1 area is just up there. It is a good confirmation you've waited for. It's above the daily 50%. Your daily candle has, you know, turned into a rejection candle now. So sky's the limit at this point on gold. The only time I would be concerned is if they start to give you a closure back below the daily 50%. But that's why we have a stop loss below the daily 50% area. There's no business kind of like closing back below. That's the only time I will be concerned personally. Until then, super bullish, and it should fly. It should really fly now. you just sort of need to let this play out at this point. And again, as I said, guys, your TP1 area is here for a reason, right? Look to the left. Our areas are very calculated. We don't just give you random TPs. It's due to this area here. This is your TP1 area, and now we just need some volatility, and this should be that wick fill area. And then from here, either you will see a nasty rejection or you will see a very massive pump. You have the closure above this resistance here, and now the next area which we want to see gold retesting is basically this area, since this will be the wick fill going based on the 4H. And once the wick fill is done, that's when you can start looking for the next leg up. It's closing above the daily 50%. You have all the confirmations you need. You technically just need some volatility to kick into the markets now. That's all. Once you have some volatility, it should start flying past this area, and hopefully the next key area which we will start targeting will potentially be this support area. Could be essentially your TP2. This could be your TP2, which is approximately another 15 pips away. And once your TP2 area gets hit, you've got your final TP3 area here, just before you start hitting your daily highs. This will be your TP2 area, and then you've got the final TP. So there you go. Let's see what it does. Gold is super volatile, right? It's a super volatile pair, and from here, if it has given you a breakout, it will give you at least a wick fill, but at the same time, it needs some sort of volatility, right? If it wanted to cause a fake out, then this was the area where it should have caused a fake out from, right? This candle giving you a closure above, next one should have given you a breakout. This is the confirmation we were looking for. It's got the bullish confirmation candle. It's also got the breakout candle breaking the highs of the 4H. It's a very high confirmation trade, and yeah, we just got to let it play out. It's a game of probabilities now, right? And if the probabilities are on our side, we take it and we just let it play out now. There we go. Maybe the TP1 area is approaching, guys. TP1 area is approaching here. TP1 area is approaching, guys. There we go. This is where you want to start making a risk-free now, since you're about to approach that TP1 area. This is around, you're around 10 pips in profits now. 10 pips in profits. Let's actually make this risk-free now. Let's make it risk-free because you are up around 10 pips in profits. Let's make it risk-free. It's around 10 pips you are in profits. Let's make it risk-free and let the rest just run, because now with volatility, it should give you a spike up. It should be risk-free trade now because you are up 10 pips in profits. Let the rest run. Make it risk-free at this point. 10 pips in profits. Don't let this go against you anymore. This was the whole idea behind this trade. You want to make it risk-free and let the rest just run. There we go. Very nice trade, guys. Drop some W's in the chat. Drop a like on the stream as well. Waited patiently for this trade to show up, and there it is. There it is. There it is. Literally zero drawdown on this trade. Zero drawdown on this trade. Zero drawdown on this trade. Amazing. We just need that one more spike up, which kind of goes past this area. Oh, there it is. There it is. Look at gold flying. There it is. There we go, guys. Haha, let's go. 13 pips up at this point. Amazing. Amazing stuff, team. Wow. Look at this spike. Start securing some profits here. And again, we have given you different TP areas. You've got your TP2 area all the way up here. This will be your TP2 area. Once it goes past TP1, you've got the TP2 area just up here. And then you've got your final TP3 area all the way up there, guys. There it is. There it is. Amazing stuff. This is why I love this stream, man. Thank you, bro. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Appreciate that. Man, you got the NYSE coming up soon as well. But there we go, guys. Drop some W's in the chat. Amazing session once again. Amazing session. And with NYSE, they will bring a lot more volatility into the markets. I know. 20 pips. Yes, sir. Let's go. Let's go. It's flying, man. It's flying. It's flying. It's flying. It's flying. Oh, there you go. TP1 smashed. Look at gold flying. What did I tell you guys is gonna fly? What did I tell you guys is gonna fly? There we go, guys. Secure some profits. Secure some profits. Secure some profits here. Drop a like on the stream as well, guys. We have a 100% win rate. Let's go. What a beast. What a beast. What a beast. Look at this push. What did I tell you guys? What did I tell you guys? Look at this push on gold. Amazing, amazing, amazing. What amazing play, guys. What amazing play in the markets. Wow. Wow. It's gone past the TP1 area. Start securing some profits. Your TP2 area is this area here, essentially TP2 area. Wow, it's gone past your TP1 area. You've got your TP2 area up here. Amazing, man. Amazing play. Wow. You are up 22 pips at this point, guys. 22 pips. 22 pips. Where is your 70 pip S? Hey, man, you're roasting them, bro. You're roasting them. Oh, wow. Look at this, guys. Minimum drawdown. 0 drawdown on this trade. Minimum. Wow, look at gold just flying. It's gonna go past that TP2 area now. Wow, look at gold just flying. Amazing. Oh, TP2 hit as well. Oh, there we go, guys. TP2 has been smashed as well at this point. There we go. TP2 hit as well. TP2 hit as well. This has turned into a rocket ship now. Oh, wow. What did I tell you guys? What did I tell you guys? This will turn into a rocket ship. And that's about 28 pips up. Oh, it's going past TP2. It's going past TP2 now. Oh, guys, it's coming up for the final TP, which is TP3. Wow. 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 Look at this rocket ship, guys. Oof. It's going for the final TP now. Oh, it's flying. Oh, man, this is crazy. Guys, look at this, done in front of your eyes once again. 100% win rate this whole week. Look at this rocket ship. What did I tell you guys? It will fly. Look at gold flying. Holy wow. Wow. Guys, drop some W's in the chat. Look at this play. Wow, that's the final TP about to get hit. It has hit the TP3 as well. Guys, start securing some more profits here. That's your TP3 area hit. Enjoy rest of your day. Look at this play. Let's go. Let's go. What did I tell you guys? What did I tell you guys? Oh, let's go, man. Let's go. Crazy. 50 pips. 50 pips here. 50 pips here. Let's go. Wow. Wow. Crazy play, man. What a crazy play, honestly. 50 pips hit. What a crazy play. Guys, let's drop some likes. Let's hit 30 likes. Let's see if we can hit 30 likes. Wow. Drop some W's in the chat as well, guys. Let's spam some W's in the chat. I want to see everyone spamming W's in the chat. Amazing play, man. Amazing play. TP3 area hit as well. That's 50 pips here now. Wow. 50 pips. Ho ho. Amazing session, man. Amazing session. Crazy play. Crazy play. Wow. Let's drop some W's, guys. I'm gonna make an Insta video here. I wanna see everyone spamming the chat with W's. 50 pips here. Wow. Wow. Let's go. Let's go. Man, this week has been nothing but amazing. 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 Crazy. What a nice play. What a nice play. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. How is this position, do you know?
Yeah, 60%.
Yes, sir.
Trailing. Almost at 1-1.
Oh.
But yeah, I trail it to the 50 and then 60 and yeah.
Yes,
stopped
sir.
out at 60.
Yes, sir. Amazing. Amazing play, man. Amazing play. Amazing play. Wow. This whole week, guys, we've had 100% win rate. Do you know how insane that is? We've literally had 100% win rate this whole week. Last week we had a 85% win rate, and this week we had 100% win rate. Wow. And not only that, we gave out, this was 2 trades given out, right? We gave out the impulsive entry as well. So
Yeah.
this was actually trade 2, because the impulsive entry, but did it last though, the stop loss? Did it last on the impulsive entry, or did it get taken out?
I think not. I think it was a B.
Oh, it was a, okay. So first impulsive entries we gave out, and then this was the second one.
If the people secure like the 14,
Yeah, bro.
that was
like,
the TP, you know, that's
yeah,
the resistance.
Yeah. And think about, with FOMC, they done nothing, so it could be today that they give you that massive pump now. You know, it could be. It really could be. It could be today. You could let this run. You know, if you still have runners, you could just let it run for 100 pips next. Yeah, if you have runners running, you haven't been taken out, just let it run for like 100 pips or something. Why not? Why not? Oh man, crazy. All 3 TPs hit. It doesn't get better than this, does it? All 3 TPs hit. Amazing. So guys, what did you think of today's session? Let me know. Let me know in the chat. Wow, 50 pips to the top side. And make sure you guys are in the Discord chat as well. Amazing session once again today. It's crazy.
Yeah, FOMC kind of dry. That's overtime effect. Yeah, bro. Last 2 FOMCs was kind of dry, you know. You remember last one, like same thing.
No, that's completely, yeah. You are right. You're completely right. It was a bit dry, to be honest. That was amazing. Wow. Such a nice play, man.
The last one was good, actually. Yeah, but I think the move was very late on the last one.
Yeah, the move was actually quite delayed, to be honest. It was super delayed, the move, actually. It was decent, but the move was super delayed. That's the issue, right? But what sort of happened was, guys, by the way, go onto the YouTube channel, and once you go onto our YouTube channel, make sure you guys click this button, notify me for tomorrow's live stream, guys. So as soon as we go live, it will notify you. Okay, so go onto our YouTube channel, go to the live section, and then you guys will see this here, and then turn the notifications on, so as soon as we go live, it will notify you. Okay, man, what a crazy pump on gold today, right? What a crazy pump.
Guys, leave the like on the stream. We need to go to 33 likes today.
Yes, sir. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Yes, we do.
Even today, I dressed a proper shirt for the
Yes,
stream,
sir.
so you guys need to leave that like. So
Guys, another poll. Let us know. Did you make some profits? Did you make profits with us today? Let us know. I'm about to give you another poll. Did you make any profit? Did you make profits with us today? There we go. Answer the poll now, guys. What? Wow. I think this is a beast, man. This beast is just gonna push up. I think it's like one of those things. It's just gonna push up for the rest of the day now. Just amazing. That confirmation above that daily 50%, just clean momentum play in the markets, honestly. I mean, you had that confirmation. It just made so much sense to just take it, right? Wow. So nice. So nice. And now, again, the daily highs are coming up. We are about to retest the daily highs, and once it goes past daily highs, oh, look at this daily candle, man. It's just becoming a clean rejection candle. It can just push up for the rest of the day, this daily candle. Oh boy. If it breaks past this area now, it's coming up to the next area. 30 pip. Let's see what they do. Let's see what they do. Because look at your 4H as well. Your 4H is coming all the way back up to retest this. As I mentioned earlier, we would see this range being filled, and now most likely, oh, it's about to go past the third and the final TP, And the third and the final TP has been hit, guys. There we go. TP3 has also been hit at this point now, and this has given us more than 50 pips at this point, because look at this, that's 51 pips at this point. Final TP3 has been hit as well at this point on this position. Amazing stuff. Wow, what an amazing play today. Wow, crazy. Gold is just flying at this point, man. It's flying, bro. Insane. Look at this, it's gonna go past that TP3 now. It's gonna go past it. So guys, you can see literally all we had to do was have patience, and you know, from there, as soon as our confirmation showed up, just execute. That's all we did, right? Waited. Confirmation was there, took it, didn't hesitate. That's what trading is about. Like, you know, if your confirmation is there, you don't hesitate, you just take it, right? You're playing within the daily range, and that's exactly what we did today, honestly. Let's see how much this can fly though. How much can this fly? Guys, we got 4 votes. Everyone, let's vote. Did you guys make profits with us? Let us know, let us know, let us know. And let's also drop a like. This fake out needed to happen for the upside. Yes, sir. It did. It really did. Amazing pump though. Amazing pump with gold.
50 pips.
Yes, sir. Amazing pump, honestly. Jeez. Pushed up so nicely. So nicely. Crazy play, man.
Yeah.
This is your first leg up done now. This is also with NYSE. They've technically given you that sort of move. And yeah, very nice session once again here, guys. Very nice session. Wow. Very, very nice session over here. Another buy position here taken. Man, bro, like, do you have the track sheet, what we've done on the stream this whole week?
Yeah, I think it's all there.
Well, I think
Like
we'll put that. We'll put that up
12.
starting next week. So
Since 12. Since 12.
okay.
Yeah, it's all there.
Perfect. Wow, amazing stream once again, man. See you tomorrow, inshallah. See you. Make sure, again, as I mentioned earlier, you guys do turn the notifications on YouTube, and yeah.
Yeah, easy 5% today.
Yes, sir. Easy 5%. Make sure, guys, you do tag us on Insta as well. If you have caught these trades with us, tag us on Insta. Any support is appreciated. So that would be amazing if you do that. Great stuff, man. Great stuff.
Put the pips on the live stream. Oh, there it is. Okay.
I have.
It was there. Yeah. It's kind of delayed. Damn. What the bump.
Crazy, right? Even on Monday, we caught the drop. Tuesday was profitable. Yesterday was profitable. We had a no trade day during the NY session, stayed disciplined, and then FOMC we caught 40 pips. Man, this whole week's been nothing but straight dubs, man. Like, we've done nothing but destroy the markets this whole week, honestly. It's been straight up dubs this whole week. Wow. All 3 TPs hit at this point as well. So, again, the only way you can really truly achieve this is if you are super patient, guys. Super patient. You really want to be disciplined. You want to be super patient. And then, you know, when the opportunity shows up, you can't hesitate. You guys can see it for yourself. We didn't hesitate when the opportunity showed up. And, oh, man, I think gold's just going to fly at this point, honestly. It will just fly. I don't think it will stop anymore. It will just probably fly past the TP3 and then go straight up to this resistance level next. Yeah, look at this, it's about to fly now, isn't it? Bad boy is flying. This bad boy is flying. This bad boy is flying. It's about to fly, it's about to fly, it's about to fly a bit more. There it is. Final TP3 has been hit as well at this point. As you can see, this bad boy is flying. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Oh, I think we might be getting 100 pips today, guys. It might be a 100 pip day today. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Holy, look at this play. Oh, this might be a 100 pip day. Guys, we might hit 100 pips today. 48.18. Can we get 100 pips today? Can we get 100 pips today? Oh, man.
Steroids today.
Gold is on steroids today for sure. We might have the 100 pip move coming up at this point on gold. Oh boy. It's retesting the daily highs. It's gone past all of our TPs at this point now. And at this point, let the runner run. 70 pips up at this point. We might have a 100 pip push coming up. Bro, this might be that delayed FOMC play. This might be the delayed FOMC play at this point. If this is the delayed FOMC play, gold can push up 200-300 pips. And the daily highs have been retested at this point. We might have 100 pips coming up at this point. Wow. Crazy, man. Crazy pump. Wow. 70 pips up at this point. Amazing stuff. Guys, let's smash the like button. Let's see if we can get more than 30 likes. Let's hit the like button. Let's try to get more than 30 likes. We might get 100 pips today. Given to every single person here. 24 likes. Guys, we've got 6 more likes to go. It will take you guys 2 seconds to hit the like button. Let's smash that like button, guys. 6 more likes to go. Come on, we got this. Oh, 100 pips might be coming up at this point. 100 pips might be coming up at this point. Crazy.
Look at the beast of the 4-hour candle.
Oof, crazy, man. Crazy.
Under.
Crazy play here. Ho ho. Oh, most definitely 100 pips are coming up at this point now.
I don't see it stop anymore.
It's not going to stop anymore. It will just go past everything. Oh man, it's going for the 100 pips now. It's coming for the 100 pips now. It's coming for the 100 pips, I think. Yeah, I don't think this is going to stop. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, let's go. It's coming for the 100 pips, guys. It is about to hit 100 pips here. We are about to hit 100 pip TP here on the YouTube live stream. Oh, Lord. It's coming for 100 pips at this point. Gold is about to give us 100 pips. Given to every single person here on the YouTube live chat.
Oh man, if someone is holding this.
Oh man, if you guys are holding this, you're living your best life right now, honestly. You are living your best life. The 100 pip TP is up there. The 100 pip TP is just up there. It's about to go past the 100 pips TP. This is when stop loss, trailing stop losses comes into clutch, guys. Crazy play, man. What an amazing play this was. Wow. How many pips has it given us so far? We're up 85 pips. For us, 100 pips is just here. Yeah. Oh, maybe 100 pip TP might be coming up, guys, at this point. Crazy pump on gold. Crazy pump on gold. Wow. This might be that delayed, FOMC play. Like that's when, you know, gold is on steroids. It just pumps and pumps and pumps. It just doesn't stop for anyone, does it? Oh, this is about to give us 100 pips at this point. Guys, I want to see everyone dropping W's in the chat the minute it goes past that 100 pip TP. I want to see everyone spamming some W's in the chat as soon as it goes past that 100 pip TP. Craziness here in the markets. Honestly, craziness. Okay, it's coming up now. It's coming up for 100 pips. What a beast. What a beast today. He's on steroids today, man. God is on steroids, honestly. Whoever is holding this. Oh, it's coming up. Oh, there we go, guys. That's 100 pip TP hit. Drop some W's in the chat. Oh, let's go. 100 pips, 100 pips, 100 pips, 100 pips. Let's go. 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 Look at this beast. Look at this beast. Gone past 100 pips. Oh man, gold is just on steroids now, isn't it? 120 pips up at this point. Oh, this is that delayed FOMC play, man. It's that delayed FOMC play, honestly. Craziness in the markets. Craziness in the markets. Craziness in the markets. That's 100 pip TP here. $120 pips up at this point. Insane. Congratulations everyone, if you held the positions. Big day here today, massive day here today. I think this is that delayed FOMC play. Price can spike up a lot more, probably for the rest of the session. Amazing session here. On this note, guys, great stream once again. Do drop that like, and let's see how much more you can push up at this point. Wow. Amazing, man. Crazy. Crazy. Are you anticipating anything for 1500 open? I think it's just going to fly now for the rest of the day. I don't think gold is coming back down, guys. I don't think so.
I'm posting the story, bro.
I don't think this will come back down anymore. This is that delayed FOMC play. This is the delayed FOMC play. Your positions are still holding. Oh Lord. 122 pips. Craziness in the markets, man. Wow. Guys, let's try hitting 30 likes today. Drop the like. And let us know how was the session here with us today. Did you guys learn anything new? Did you understand our strategy a little bit better? Let us know in the chat. You know, we will start making this as educational as possible. But yeah, just amazing session. This is what happens when you got news coming in. Big day here. But I think, guys, on this note, we will be calling it a session here. Just crazy session here, honestly. Wow.
Gonna pump.
Again, as I said, guys, go join our Discord. The link is in the live chat. And also, if you go to our YouTube channel here, I'll show you. So if you actually go to our YouTube channel here, just click on the YouTube channel, go to the live section, and we have scheduled our stream for tomorrow. If you just click on it, you can just, there will be a button that pops up. There will be an option that pops up. It says notify me. Just press that option, and guys, join us tomorrow as well. It will be another awesome day before we end the week. And thank you guys again for tuning in. Catch you with you guys tomorrow. Let the rest just run. Amazing session here. Take care. Catch you with you guys tomorrow. Peace out. Bro, this is just running.
Bro,
let's see how much more. Let's see how much more it can run in the next 8 minutes or so. I'll be right back though.
Okay, bro. I'm gonna go to the bathroom soon.
This is pumping up. Yes, people, take it. You better take it. Again, man, just and this is your delayed FOMC play, isn't it? Like, this was expected. Delayed FOMC play. I just want to see how much more it pushes up. It's pushed up about 130 pips at this point, hasn't it? Man, this is a delayed FOMC play. I knew this was expected. $140 pips up at this point. We might even have 200 pips coming up. Crazy play. Amazing. Okay, I think we'll be calling it a session.